A U.S. economist says the Chinese economy will see a powerful rebound in 2023 with increased purchasing power, adding that the rebound will energize the world economy.
So I think the rebound in 2023 is just, it's powerful. A major population ready to get back to consuming. So I think that's what's going to happen, and it's going to be a major surge, and investment will continue to support incomes and disposable incomes of households so they can spend the money. I think it's going to be very positive. We're already seeing the impact in Southeast Asia of the outflow of Chinese tourists. So this is Chinese purchase of foreign services in an international trade vocabulary. And there will also then be enormous demand for materials and parts and kits. Well, I think it'll be there in many spillover ways that we can easily imagine. I mentioned the trade one, where there will be a demand for products. We're also seeing really quite strong interest in new foreign direct investment in China. We're seeing a surge in financial interest in funds that are focused on China, yuan funds from major equity companies. So I think also this boost of what China is doing will really sort of energize the global economy.